How do you say peacock?
Pavão.
How do you say crowd?
Multidão.
How do you say speedboat?
Lancha.
How do you say cucumber?
Pepino.
How do you say 9?
Nove.
How do you say work?
Trabalho.
How do you say toaster?
Torradeira.
How do you say armadillo?
Tatu.
How do you say key?
Chave.
How do you say juice?
Suco.
How do you say blackberry?
Amora.
How do you say crow?
Corvo.
How do you say hat?
Chapéu.
How do you say pen?
Caneta.
How do you say fan?
Ventilador.
How do you say whale?
Baleia.
How do you say man?
Homem.
How do you say coffee maker?
Cafeteira.
How do you say wood?
Madeira.
How do you say 5?
Cinco.
How do you say scissors?
Tesoura.
How do you say headphones?
Fones de ouvido.
How do you say fireplace?
Lareira.
How do you say thought?
Pensamento.
How do you say duck?
Pato.
How do you say butcher?
Açougueiro.
How do you say constellation?
Constelação.
How do you say ear?
Orelha.
How do you say wisdom?
Sabedoria.
How do you say soul?
Alma.